There is no recipe for this one. Welcome to your guardian chef, your angel in the kitchen. Today we are making Italian meatloaf, which is Polpettone Al Sugo. This classic Italian recipe dates back to the 15th century, and with so many variations over the years, it's hard to define just one traditional meatloaf recipe. Artusi, an Italian cookbook author from the 19th century, inspires this one. He called it Polpettone Piemontese and hides a boiled egg inside. For this recipe, these are the ingredients I used. The measurements are in the description below. Although there are so many variations, you can use other ingredients, the type of meat used, herbs and spices or filling. Keep the same proportions, follow the steps, and use some creativity. Before you start, soak the stale bread in milk for 30 minutes until it's fully saturated. If you want a fancy meatloaf, soak some dry porcini mushrooms in hot water. To add a spicy flavour, I stir-fry the onion with nduja, a spicy, creamy salami from Calabria. You can use bacon instead. In a large mixing bowl, combine the lean ground beef and ground pork. I used Italian sausage, so I removed the meat from its casing. Add the grated Parmesan cheese and the eggs and season with salt and pepper. Squeeze out excess milk and crumble the milk-soaked bread into the meat mixture. Add the fried onion and bacon or nduja and mix everything together until well combined. Lay out on a flat surface the meat mixture. With this quantity, I can make 2 meatloaves. Place the boiled eggs inside and fold the meat over the eggs, ensuring they are fully enclosed. Smooth out the top of the meatloaf to ensure an even shape. If I'm making this ahead of time, I wrap it in aluminium foil and store it in the fridge. Heat some olive oil over a medium-high heat in a Dutch oven. Once hot, place the meatloaf and sear each side until it is golden brown. This helps to lock in the flavours. After searing the meatloaf, reduce the heat to medium. Pour the white wine to deglaze the pan, scraping up any brown bits from the bottom. Add the tomato sauce, ensuring the meatloaf is well covered. If you're planning to add the dried porcini mushrooms, add them to the sauce now with their water. They give so much flavour to the sauce. Season with salt and pepper and cover the Dutch oven with its lid. Let the meatloaves simmer on the stove for 1 hour. Once cooked, remove the lid and let the meatloaves rest for 10 minutes. Transfer the meatloaves to a serving platter and slice it into even portions. For a nice presentation, place the slices so that the boiled egg inside is visible. Pour over the top of the meatloaf the sauce and serve. I serve this Italian meatloaf with green beans cooked in tomato sauce. You can also serve it with fried crispy polenta or gnocchi alla romana. But not pasta if you want to keep your meal Italian. Remember, in traditional Italian dining, pasta is typically its own course and is never served as a side to a main dish. For more beef and pork recipes, check out the playlist above. And don't forget to subscribe. I'm going to stuff mine with mozzarella cheese. Yum!